In this first lesson today, which is about developing fully embodied deep relaxation, the first step is to just find a comfortable chair, a lounge, even lying down. And then just arrange to separate your hands and feet and get your head positioned comfortably over your spine. From here, I ask you to just close your eyes and follow my instructions. The first thing is to see how you can bring your awareness inside of your left thumb. Notice how you can actually sense the insides of the first segment of your left thumb, from the knuckle out to the tip of your thumb. And then see how you can go inwards with your awareness, sense the way the muscles in that area hang around the bone, and then begin to notice how you can encourage from the insides your left tip of your thumb to begin relaxing and grounding and just sort of melting into Mother Earth. Now that you're beginning to get a sense of that, let's take the second segment from the knuckle of the thumb towards where it joins into the meaty portion, the leg of your thumb. And in the same way, notice how you can take your awareness right inside of that second segment. Begin to feel the subtle sensations of your muscles strung between your knuckle and the next segment of your thumb, to the point where you actually sense the bone sitting inside of this segment. And now do what you can to encourage the weight of your thumb, the bone, to relax and get heavy, just dropping into Mother Earth. So that now each time you relax your breath, you really feel that left thumb beginning to relax while you're present right in the inside, extending your awareness now into that meaty portion which extends into your palm. Feel how the muscles radiate out into the palm, how there are a series of tarsal bones that just extend into the palm bones, and encouraging right from the insides that left thumb to just get heavier and warmer, as though it's melting into the gravitational field of Mother Earth. Now that you're sensing that, let's go into all 4 fingers of your left hand all at once. Notice how you can sense the first segment of all 4 fingers in the left hand. In the same way, right from the insides, sensing the muscles extending towards the tip from the knuckle, and then feeling the muscles starting to relax, unwind, ground into Mother Earth as you start to feel the weight of the bones in the 4 fingers of your left hand. So that slowly, slowly now you're being more and more present in your left hand, extending the sense of awareness from the first knuckle through to the second joint just before the palm. And in the same way, beginning to feel that relaxing feeling with each relaxing breath, extending right into the muscles of your left fingers, right to the bone. Begin to notice that the bones, in a sense, are the heaviest part of your left fingers. And as you feel the whole segments of your fingers beginning to ground and get more and more relaxed, just feel that awareness beginning to sweep from your last knuckle into the tarsal bones in your palm, feeling the relaxation spread right into the tarsal bones to the point where the bones are starting to get heavier and heavier, more and more grounded. The muscles inside of your palm and on the back of your hand are just beginning to really relax now, all the way up to your wrist. So that with each relaxing breath, you just feel that left hand dropping more and more deeply into the gravitational field of Mother Earth. And now that you've practiced this for a couple of minutes, I'd like you to compare the sensations in your left hand with those of your right. Notice the truly amazing difference. Your left hand feels way larger, fuzzier. The boundaries are less distinct. It feels like your left hand has become a glowing ball of warm energy. So let's do the same thing now with the right hand. Moving a little more quickly. Feel the whole of your right thumb from the tip through the second segment, right from the inside. Notice how you can encourage the muscles to just begin unwinding as you encourage the bones to drop deeper and deeper into the gravitational field of Mother Earth with each relaxing breath. Feel that relaxation now begin to spread into the meaty portion of your right thumb so that you feel that spreading band of muscles as it moves into the palm, just getting softer and heavier and warmer right to the bones. And you may begin to notice that your fingers in your right hand are also already beginning to relax. So in the same way that we did for the left hand, put your awareness in all four fingers, right from the tips of the fingers to the last knuckle just before your palm. And begin to explore and investigate with your awareness inside of the muscles, into the bones, in such a way that you just feel those four fingers getting softer and heavier and warmer and more relaxed as you spread that relaxation like a flowing fluid into the palm now of your right hand, in such a way that the relaxation spreads right into the bones, right into the muscles of your palm and the back of your hand, all the way to the wrist. So that now with each relaxing breath, sense yourself right from the insides of your right hand, just dropping that right hand deeper and deeper into the gravitational field with each relaxing exhalation. Notice that already you are beginning to develop a nice relaxation response. So in the very same way that we worked with our hands, let's put our awareness now in both feet simultaneously. Notice how you can sense awareness in your big toes, in your smaller toes, all the way from the tips of the toes right to the last knuckle. And starting to feel from the insides, coming back with your awareness over and over again, right inside the muscles of the toes on both feet, just encouraging all the muscles to unwind, go heavier and softer and warmer, until you feel warmth inside of your bones and the toes on both feet, just getting more and more grounded in such a way that you now sense your ability to spread that awareness from your knuckles into your arches and all the way to your heel. Notice how you can feel the carpal bones in both of your feet just getting heavier right to the heel bones. And as you feel that heaviness taking hold with each relaxing breath, notice how you can encourage the muscles in the soles of your feet, on the backs of your feet, all around your ankles, to just unwind, let go, get soft and loose, so that that heavy grounding feeling starts to get stronger and stronger in both of your feet, in such a way that now with each relaxing breath, you can really feel your feet and your hands just beginning to drop deeper and deeper into the here and now field, which is of Mother Earth. So now that you got this going in your hands and feet, let's just take a few minutes to put your awareness inside of your skull. Notice the whole skull structure, bone structure, which includes your forehead, your cheeks, the upper jaw, the lower jaw, the area around your eyes, and around your brain. Notice how you can just encourage the weight of your skull to drop into the first vertebrae of your spinal axis in such a way that with each relaxing breath, you just start to feel the presence right from the inside of your skull dropping into your spine, along with your hands, feet, and skull, in such a way that slowly, slowly you begin to feel any tension in your forehead, any tension at the back of your skull, upper neck, any tension in your upper jaw, around your nose and eyes, around your lower jaw and teeth, just beginning to melt away as you feel now your hands, feet, and skull relaxing, getting softer and softer, more and more present. With each relaxing breath, feeling the 5 distal parts of your body dropping into Mother Earth, noticing that your breath is beginning to slow down, and you're starting to really relax in a way that is present inside of you. Continue with this practice for as long as it feels comfortable.